So, like a lot of people, I have a rat's nest of cables behind my desk. And I got this cable management device that I wanted to unbox and show you guys, and we'll see how well it may work for me. Okay, this is the VIVO white clamp vertical vertebrae cable management device, and I'm going to unbox it today and show you what's in the box. Here we have what looks to be just an information pamphlet, and it also is the assembly pamphlet, and it has the support numbers on the other side. So if you're struggling, this will give you some idea on how to assemble and install it. It comes with this box, which will open up. Let me take everything out, and it comes with, I don't know what this is, a mount perhaps, vertebrae and some screws. So I will put this on the floor, and let's see what this is. So this is the base, this is what goes on the floor, and then we have, this is probably the clamp. Let's open it up and see. And I'm just really on a mission to organize and straighten up my office. So we're doing it little by little. This is the clamp, which we'll see where I can put it. This might not work for my desk, but we'll see. This will go on your desk. So this clamps onto your desk. And then this is, let's see, the vertebrae, which is cool. And it does look like a vertebrae. So you could either screw this in. There's a couple options to installing this. You can either use the clamp to clamp onto your desk, or you could screw this right into your desk. And my desk has a shelf underneath, so I probably would have to screw it in. Let's see how it would go. So here's the piece that you would screw in. And then the cables, let's fit the cables. And then the cables are supposed to slide in here and fit into the vertebrae. So you could do it on both sides. It has areas where you could slip in the cables on both sides. So each vertebrae has 4 compartments to hold your cables and make them look real nice and neat and organized. I feel like a cable management for your PC and your electronics is kind of making sure the floor is vacuumed and swept. It just makes a huge difference in how neat and clean your office looks. So I am really on a mission to find a good cable management system that works for me. I run 2 laptops, a giant monitor, and some Stream Decks on my PC, along with a microphone and headset. So I am definitely interested in finding a way to control the rat's nest of cables that I have. And so far so good. We'll install this and show the installation and the results in a different video, but this one is just doing the unboxing and what all comes with it. Thank you.